Can't I do anything without you all trying to follow me? Huh? I don't want to pick you up right now. Baby girl, or baby boy. You're my baby boy, yeah. You're my boy. Yes, you're my boy. Oh, can't get you in there. Yeah. You go over there with the other chickens. Here, you guys come up this way. Let me go out. Come on. New hens, you're not supposed to be in here. Okay. Now, stay there. No following me. I said don't follow me. I'm getting out. No, you don't need out. I guess if you must go, you must go. Y'all coming? You coming? Okay, I'm gonna go to the barn. Because I want to decorate for fall and I want to make a cutting board to go in the middle of my table and decorate for fall. So I'm going to go see what he has out here. He told me to get anything I wanted, but I know. Boy, that chicken's been going and going this morning. But anyways, I know he has a king-size bed to make for someone. Oh, it's getting hot in here. I can't see. All right. I doubt that piece could be used, but that's not really wide enough. Almost fell. That tire's up on it. Well, it's kind of wide at the bottom. Not really thick enough for what I want. Ah, there's a nice big thick piece. That would make a pretty one. And that is not big enough to do anything with. Okay, I think I'm going to take that one. I would like it a little wider. That would work. Ooh, there's a nice big thick piece, but it's sheared off on the sides. I don't want it. I want it more natural looking. Can't really get what I'm looking at. Oh, that's pretty. Probably use it. I don't know. Let's see what the other side looks like. Oh, he would have to, can't see, but he would have to cut that down, shear that off the top of it. All right, I brought this one up. I decided to go with it. It's the little thinner piece, but probably better for the table. I'll have to figure out just how I'm going to do it. There's enough there to make two. Okay, I've put it on my table just to see. I do have two more leaves, so this table goes about, oh, 2 foot longer, but this is the way I keep it normally. So I'm trying to see how long I want it and where it's the most level. Okay. So I'm going to figure that out. It's definitely going to be this end because this one is laying flat. This side is kind of curving up on the bottom. So now how long do I want it? Probably about like that. Let's see, that side of the table. Yeah, I say about like that. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I took my miter saw and I cut it down. There's the other half. I can always do something with that. And then I took the jigsaw and I cut the top of it out. I wished I'd have made this handle just a little bit wider, but that's okay. It's already cut, it's done. And I love the edges of it. I'm not gonna paint it, but now I'm taking my sander and I'm gonna sand it down some. But that's what it looks like now. All right, I got it all finished. Well, not finished. I have it all sanded down. And I've decided to put these little candle cups on for feet, because I did put it on my table both ways and I liked it with the feet. Now I'm gonna put 2 coats of the polyacrylic on it, and it'll be finished. And that wood is just beautiful. It is beautiful, and it'll look prettier with the polyacrylic on it. I love the side work on it. All right, I gotta get busy putting the coating on it. Here it is finished, and I like how it turned out, and it looks really good on my table. And I just put a napkin holder on it with some napkins. And these little salt and pepper shakers are just from the Dollar Tree. It's the little glass ones. I've painted them. And they do have salt and pepper, or S&P, on the other side. And then I just took a mason jar, painted it, put some stuff on it and some flowers. And these are also some little pumpkins that I cut out with my scroll saw and painted. And now it is the centerpiece for my table for the fall. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one.